Okay, Happy New Year, everybody. Happy New Year. I'm still in Imperial, California. That Leo Merez, let me tell you something. If I didn't know better, I think he was another Miss Meadows. Now, you see, he's supposed to be of the Public Conservative Guardian Area Agency of Aging. Now, remember when he came to me in the motel, he said he could get me a birth certificate and a marriage license. I could have it mailed to this address. Now, he came to me last week and told me that I have to go somewhere in Braley, California. That one would help me, but he can't take me there. Now, you know the public transportation can't take me there. And you know I'm not going to get on that Greyhound because in 2017, Greyhound stole all my property, even though I paid them $95 to put my things under the bus. I have videos up on my old website about how I was arrested in Dallas for criminal trespassing held from November the 7th to the 22nd, and they never took me in the courtroom. I never saw a judge. They just held me, over 2 weeks, and then released me. But Greyhound, even though I filed a claim, almost $4,000 for all my property, Greyhound has never paid me. So Greyhound would love to confiscate my property again. So even if they gave me a free ticket, I'm not going to get on a Greyhound bus. But Leo. So I called Leo and told him after 4 days that I was stuck here and that I could not go anywhere because the bus. Now remember, he told me he had put $2 in the bag, but it wasn't in there. So he comes, I told him I needed water. He gave me $3 of water and some food and the $2. But he still knows I can't go anywhere. So, as I said, now he tells me to go to Braley to get ID. You know I can't get there. Now, I just remembered, I'm going to make a part 2 of this. I'll be right back.